Greetings, Earthlings. I have a hurry-up job to do today in my part of the universe. So I'll turn this camera around and I'll show you what I have to do. All right, so I'm standing inside my barn and we have heavy rain coming tomorrow. It snowed the other day. We had several inches. Some of it's melted and packed down now, but we had several inches the other day. And this snow here came down off the roof of the barn. Now, it's always best to pull this stuff away and clean this all up as soon as it falls. Otherwise, it freezes and packs down in place and it's a lot harder to move. So my job today is to get this bank and go around over here. I want to get all this snow cleaned up and out of here before it rains, because the snow is going to come down. The rain is going to come down off that roof. It's going to hit this bank of snow here, windrow, whatever you want to call it. It's going to hit this, and some of the rain is going to roll inside the barn, and I'm going to end up with a skating rink in there again, which happened, I don't know if it happened last year, but it happened the year before. So I don't want a skating rink in there again this winter. Well, it's the next day. My camera died in the cold and it was getting dark anyway, so I didn't finish everything up from last night. But you can see the end result here. You get the idea from what I had already recorded. So I've got all the snow removed, at least the vast majority of it removed. So any rain that comes down off that roof, and that heavy rain should be here any time, it should be able to flow. This is slightly downgrade that way. Should be able to flow right down out across the yard there. I did put a little bit of a ditch in here to help the water flow, and that will hopefully keep the water from running into the barn. So we'll see the we'll look at the back side. And on the back side, I've got 2 ladders buried in this snow. That another thing I never moved. I was supposed to move those before it snowed. So I got my I think it's a 6-foot step ladder there, and then my extension ladder behind that. So I just worked around those for now. I'll dig those out, but I do have room here for any rain coming off the roof to come down and hopefully go into the gutter there. There is some ice in there, so I don't know if that'll work or not, but then I cleared it all the way down to there, so the water should be able to run right down and out down the yard. And so greetings once again, Earthlings. So the video you just watched was recorded on December 5th. Today is Sunday, December 17th. So it took me a while to finally finish up the video, but here it is. What I wanted to do was come out later in the day on the 5th and when it was raining heavy and record that. But it didn't happen until late that night. But I can report that my efforts were worthwhile because it kept the barn dry. Didn't get any water in the barn at all. So that helped. It's supposed to rain again tonight. It'll be the 4th Sunday in a row where we get rain. So it snows during the week and then rains on the weekend. So I'll be out here again tonight, checking this to make sure that the barn doesn't flood. So my efforts paid off. Okay, folks, so it's supposed to rain again tonight and tomorrow, pretty heavy. So this whole drainage, snow clearing work will be put to the test again tonight and tomorrow. So we'll see how it works out. So once again, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.